The message: when the New Jerusalem comes down upon the world to the sound of trumpets, the lights will fill the skies, and all will be silent. From the Book of Truth, Volume 4, given on Sunday, June 9th, 2013, at 11:15 p.m. My beloved daughter, the pain you endure physically at this time is to save souls who are so far removed from me, that were you not to offer this to me as a victim soul, they would be lost to me forever. Always remember how much it hurts me and breaks my heart when I lose even just one soul. My love for humanity remains intact, for nothing could ever stop me from loving each precious soul. I love them so much that the gifts I have given you, my daughter, of seeing all of God's children as He sees them, with a purity of heart, is never ending. This is why you suffer so much, my little one. It is not because of those whose anger insults you, but it is because of those souls who are in terrible darkness, and whose destiny terrifies you, that you endure these new physical afflictions. Please understand that when you become impatient and upset because of these painful trials, that they are nothing compared to the intense suffering which faces those souls who will be taken to the beast. It will mean nothing when compared to souls who must endure the pain of suffering in purgatory. How little this will mean to you when you see how I will pluck those souls who otherwise would not be able to save themselves from the evil grasp of the beast. My daughter, no matter how painful this suffering is, it will not matter when I unite God's children, when the most glorious paradise will descend on the great day, when the New Jerusalem comes down upon the world to the sound of trumpets. The lights will fill the skies, and all will be silent then before the sound of angels, whose singing will reach every soul before the final moment. This will be the last hour when I come to judge the living and the dead. Your Jesus.